hi there. This is Shannon. I'm from, that wasn't what I wanted to say. Anyway, we are for today at Foundry, which is the newest youth wellness center that's opening up in Prince George and operated by the YMCA.
Yes, I'm Lynette, working with Shannon. I'll be the nurse here.
Yeah, and I'll be the team lead. Yeah. This is Leah, and she hates being on camera, so this is her one big moment. We told her she wasn't getting away with not. So hi, Leah. So we're still busy getting everything set up, but as you can see, some of our furniture has arrived, although it still has plastic on it. This is our front waiting area. Comfortable, as you can see. We're thinking we might put fish here, but we're waiting to see if we have enough room for it. We also have over here, though, if you come along, this is going to be our room. We're going to have some toys and stuff for those of you with kids. So I don't think I've even said this yet, but Foundry is actually for anyone ages 12 to 24. So the purpose of Foundry is we are a one-stop shop for any of the services you might need. Does that sound right? Okay. So the other piece with that is basically there's several different social service agencies, Northern Health, Intersect, the ministry, all in one spot. So rather than you having to hop around to 10 different places, you just get to come to one, and that's going to be here.
Our sacred space is an area where we'll get to do smudging, meditation, healing work, and as you can see, the colors are softer in here. We painted ceiling blue, and the walls are sage green. There's ventilation for our smudge smoke as needed, and other medicines. So there'll be benches, a circular rug, a water fountain. It'll be less echoey and really inviting.
This is just stuff. So then,
okay, so you're entering the medical kind of area.
Our primary care zone. Yeah.
So the nurse practitioner, and doctors will work on this side, and some mental health clinicians.
Yeah, some of our clinicians might come over here as well.
So you're seeing a lot of the Foundry colors, this bright green and lovely turquoise.
Oh, I should probably talk about that. Yeah. So the one thing with Foundry is we're one of 5 that are opening across the province. They've just identified 5 more other communities that will be getting a Foundry too. And we didn't necessarily pick these colors. These colors are all the Foundries will be these colors. So they were chosen by youth advisory committees of picking which ones were the most important to them. We'll have graphics being installed that all the Foundries will have. So the idea is that just like if you need a tent and you see Canadian Tire, you could go to Canadian Tire. You know they have tents, you recognize what their sign looks like, you walk inside, the Canadian Tires all kind of look the same. That's how Foundries will be. So the hope is at one point in the province, anyone 12 to 24, if you need help with anything, you'll be able to ask, where's your Foundry? You'll know when you get there that you can get primary care services, mental health and substance use services, as well as social supports and services as well. So part of our primary care services, we've actually signed on with Options for Sexual Health. Some of you might have heard of OPT. So we'll be running OPT clinic daily, Monday to Friday. So OPT includes STI testing, contraceptive support, any sort of other sexual supports or information that you might need to play safe. Hey there. So this is one of our talk rooms that we have. So one of the big services we're going to provide here is mental health and substance use services. So that's mean if you need to talk to somebody, whether we're just how you're feeling, if you're worried maybe about thoughts or feelings that you might be having, or if you're concerned a little bit about substances you're using or just want some more information, there's going to be someone here on site every day that if you walk in, you can talk to somebody about that. And they can let you know a little bit more about the services we might have here for you in the long run, or other services in the community that we can help you get connected with instead of you having to go calling around to a bunch of different places. We have a few different rooms that are talk rooms for those services. So Foundry, we haven't done this on our own. A key part of our work here is the partnerships with the existing agencies in the community that have been doing great work throughout Prince George for a really, really long time. And so the other piece of ours is some of our social supports. And so any of you have maybe accessed YAP before, or Youth Around Prince George program or drop-in, their access workers are also going to be over here to provide the same support that they provide there. So whether that's if you're needing some information about where to get food, or about housing, or about employment opportunities or educational opportunities, that's something that they'll come over and help with as well. We also have several other community agencies that have been awesome and have just been waiting to let us know how we might need them. So they've definitely said, once you're open and you know what the young people that are coming to Foundry need, let us know and we'd love to come over and help you guys out. So we're looking forward to bringing even more people on site. So this is just the start. We're hoping to be open at the end of September. And so we'll announce the date as soon as we can and hope to see you guys then.
Yeah, hope to see you soon. Come by, say hi, check out our space.
Ciao, ciao.